Hey Clint, this is Michaela. I spoke with you on the phone earlier today, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video walking you through your website, showing you what Google looks for in ranking websites on their platform, as well as discuss your overall online presence. So to start, I do have some background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at three specific aspects when ranking a website on their Google platform. Number one, and probably the most important factor, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual words or text show up on your site. So you've got some information there, a little description here, reviews, but overall not a lot of content, right? So let me give you an example for why content is so important and tell you a brief description. So anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your #1 search result. Well, why is that? It's because it has so much content. Google, whenever a keyword, and a keyword is anything that somebody types into a Google search bar, anytime a keyword is searched, Google has to look through all the sites in your area to see who would be a good fit for that service, right? So it kind of picks and chooses based on how you have your information kind of hard-coded onto your website. Now, having the name like commercial carpet cleaning, residential carpet cleaning on your site, it helps, but it's not a lot of content to make it easy for Google to spot you quickly. So the more content you have telling Google what you do, the easier it is for Google to find you and put you in front of people as a search result. So Google likes to see about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on just the homepage because, again, that's the number it likes to see to make its job easier to find you and put you in front of people for different search results. This here is called Ahrefs, and it just gives me a breakdown of how you're doing on the internet today. And as you can see, we're only getting about 1 click per month coming to our website. So our website isn't doing much for us, primarily because of the keywords we're searching for. You are ranking at position #4 for one keyword here. And then your business name, Precision Carpet Care, is at #9. So you're ranking on page 1 for 2 keywords. So typically, the more keywords we put in our content on our site, the more times that those specific keywords appear, so maybe precision carpet cleaners, have it appear 4 or 5 times throughout your site. The more those keywords are present in the content on your site, the easier it's going to be for Google to rank you for them. So just getting content alone on your website will allow you to rank for more keywords, getting more traffic coming to your website. Next, backlinks are also important, and a backlink is anywhere that you have a clickable link on another business's site. Think like Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. When we get a good referring domain to host our backlink, it actually transfers a lot of their influence back to us. Doing so allows this DR number to go up. So the more backlinks we have, Google finds us as a more stable business in their eyes, allowing for us to be presented as valid search results for people searching multiple keywords for our services in your area. Lastly, we'll look at this UR. And this is referring to citations. And a citation, again, if you do just a basic Google search for your area, you see these top 3 people here on this Google map. Well, these top 3 people are going to get the most business based on visibility alone, which is what every small business owner wants, right? To get our name and information in front of as many people as possible. So to get to the top of this list, we're going to add our business name, address, and phone number to several online directories. There's probably thousands of them out there, and we need to add quite a few to get to the top of this list. And once we do that, we get that instant visibility which is going to get us seen by a lot of people. Over 68% of people who do a basic Google search pick out of these top 3 on the Google map. So definitely getting a lot more leads that way is an easy way that we can get more clients in our door and coming to our website. Well, Clint, I hope you found this information helpful. Send me a quick email. Just tell me what you thought about this video. But that's all I have for you today. Have a wonderful day, and I'll be in touch, okay? Bye-bye.